Hi friends, this is Raghu here. You are watching Raghuview. Friends, after a long gap, I am posting my videos. Due to some technical issues, I am unable to post your videos. From today, I am going to post your videos regularly. Friends, today I am going to prepare a special 5-star hotel style Gulab Jamun recipe. Friends, now without wasting time, let's go to the video. Friends, now we are going to prepare a dough for Gulab Jamun. Friends, this is a complete 5-star hotel style Gulab Jamun what we are preparing. Now, to prepare a dough, I have taken a kova. Friends, this is a plain kova which sugar was not added. Friends, the kova is 450 grams. The plain kova which I have taken is 450 grams. So in this 450 grams of plain kova, we are going to mix a sweet kova of 50 grams. Friends, this is a sweet kova. This is 50 grams and the plain kova is 450 grams. Friends, the measurement is very important for preparing Gulab Jamun. Friends, now I mix this sweet kova with the plain kova. In this, I am going to add 150 grams of all-purpose flour, that is maida. I am going to add 150 grams of all-purpose flour, maida. Now we need to mix this well, friends. The mixing is very important. We need to knead this well as much as possible. Friends, now after mixing for some time, just add 1 pinch of baking soda and 1 pinch of salt. Friends, this salt enhances the taste of a sweet. This mixing baking soda, we get a soft Gulab Jamun. Friends, now dough is ready. Now just close one plate and leave it for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we can prepare a sugar syrup, that is jeera, for our Gulab Jamun. Friends, now this dough is ready. You can close the plate and just leave it for half an hour. Friends, now to prepare a jeera, adding 800 ml of water. Friends, the measurement is very important. Please listen it carefully. Now I added 800 ml of water into a kadai. Let the water boil, friends. Friends, now the water is boiled. Now in this water I am adding 800 grams of sugar. Friends, this jeera should be in a single sting consistency. You need to prepare this jeera for a single sting consistency. Friends, now the sugar mixed with the water. In this time, just add some milk, friends. This milk takes the dust in sugar. Friends, now you can see the dust in sugar syrup. Leave it for some time. Again you can take some more dust. There will be always dust in sugar, friends. You should take it out. Friends, now I got this jeera a single string consistency. Now I am adding 4 ilachis. This ilachis is for flavors. Friends, we should not boil more after adding ilachis. Now the main thing we are going to add, that is rose water. Friends, for this gulab jamun the flavor should be rose one. So I added some rose water into this jeera. Now after adding this rose water and ilachis, we are going to off the stove. Now and take a dough. We can make a rounds. See friends, while making rounds, press as much as possible and make a rounds. See friends, you can see there is a no gaps in between the rounds. So this is a perfect rounds. Press as much as possible, as much as tightly, and make a rounds. Now you can make these rounds. You can see the round, friends. There is no gaps at all. Friends, now I have made all the rounds. Now let's fry this in a oil. Friends, while frying jamuns, make sure keep it in a low flame and fry it deeply. It will take a long time, friends. Make sure you should not keep it in a high flame and boil the oil. Just keep it in a low flame. After the oil gets boiled, friends, don't mix this, just leave it for some time. Friends, the important thing, friends, now see friends, you can see the jamuns are coming up. See, one by one jamuns are coming up, friends. So you can see the jamuns are coming up now. See friends, almost all the jamuns came up. Now you should turn slowly. Friends, now you can see the size. Friends, I have added a tiny rounds. Now you can see the size of the jamun. It is almost a big size. After adding in a jeera, this will become another double size. See, look. Now you can see the jamuns. The size of the jamuns became big. Now the jamuns are getting bigger. Just fry it until the color changes. Friends, now you can see the color of jamun. Friends, while mixing the dough, the lumps should not form. Then only the jamun will become very soft. You can see the color. This was nicely fried. Friends, now take this jamun and place it in a jeera. Friends, you can see the color. This should be full brown. Yes, put it in a jeera. Friends, you can see the color. It turns completely brown. Friends, now just you can see the size of jamun is increasing. Friends, it will take 5 to 6 minutes to start absorbing the jeera. Then after 5 to 6 minutes, just leave it for another 20 minutes. So the process is around 30 minutes. Friends, I hope you all liked my video. Please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. See you in the next videos.